I'm gonna put it for you. Sum, S-U-M, sum of interior, I-N-T-E-R-I-O-R, sum of interior angles. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to engage you in an activity which we're going to use to derive the formula for the sum of the interior angles. I'm going to ask you to do something. All right, so this is an activity I want you to do now. I'm going to ask you to draw at least 3 other polygons that are not triangles, okay? You're going to draw at least 3 other polygons that are not triangles.
Sketch.
And they don't have to be regular. Draw at least, so if you can get, yes, use straight edge and draw them here, because I want you to draw them properly, but you're not going to be, you don't have to measure to say what angles they are and all of that.
All right.
Yeah, so just draw 3 neat polygons. The first one, a 4-sided polygon. So draw a 4-sided polygon. So mine might look like this, for example. This is a 4-sided polygon I'm sketching. I draw one with 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this, I put another one here, that's 5 sides. All right, so 4, 5, and one with 6 sides. One with 6 sides.
1, 2, 5 sides.
So you draw 3. Let us begin with 3. So we're drawing 3 polygons.
It's medium. This is pentacle.
So a 4-sided one, a 5-sided one, and a 6-sided one. Just use a straight edge, your ruler and your pencil, and just draw. So you're not trying to get them, you're not trying to get it regular. The sides not going to be the same, because I'm not asking you to draw accurately or to do any construction. Just use your ruler and your pencil and just draw a 4-sided figure, a 5-sided figure, a 6-sided figure. Ready now? Ready again? Everybody have your 3 figures? Have your 3 shapes? All right. Any question? All right. Next step now. Next step, so we'll have to work together now. So you have your 3 shapes. Let's go back to the first one, the 4-sided shape. I want you to choose one corner. Choose one corner.
First one.
And any corner from the shape. You're gonna choose. I'm gonna take mine from the top. I'm gonna use choose the vertex or the corner or vertex. That's where two sides meet. So I'm gonna use the corner at the top of my shape. right here where I have this blue mark. Can you see the blue mark up here?
Mm.
So you see the blue mark? I'm going to put a little X up here. So can you see it? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So I want you to choose any corner in your shape and you're going to draw diagonals. That is just lines going across the figure in order to divide it into triangles. So watch me now. I choose my corner from the top up there and I want to draw a line to divide my shape into triangles. So I draw the line coming down this way. So from one corner to another corner. All right. Is there any other corner to which I could draw the figure to get another triangle? No, there's no other corner. There's no other corner. So how many triangles do I have when I draw the diagonal from one corner in my four-sided figure? How many triangles?
1, 2.
It's two triangles. All right, so I get two triangles here.
Miss, when we get 3.
You can't go again. Tell me how you do it.
No, not with your diagram, Miss, with mine.
You have to draw the diagonal from one corner. Only one corner.
Oh, that's from one
draw-
corner.
Just one. The same, draw the lines from the same corner.
No, I'll get 1.
So, how many you get?
Two,
How many you got?
2, Miss, we gotta try 2.
Right. Yeah, two. You have to just stick to one corner. So it's only one line we can put in the quadrilateral to get two triangles. All right. So for the quadrilateral, we have two triangles. Two triangles. All right. Let's see what would happen if we do it for the five-sided figure. So choose any corner. Choose any corner. I'm going to take the corner from the top up here and draw lines across. Draw lines across the figure from the same corner and see how many triangles we get. I'm going to take mine. So I go across this corner here. That's one. From the same corner up to the same vertex up the top, I'm going to come across here. Right?
1.
I can't do any more. There's no other line I can put in to get any more triangles.
Miss,
So how many triangles?
1 line must do or 2.
Listen again. Listen to the instruction. Choose any corner in your shape. Okay? Any corner, any vertex. That's where two lines meet. Put a little X in that corner. Then you're going to draw lines now. We call them diagonals. Draw line one at a time from that corner across to another corner in the shape. So depending on the shape that you have, we are going to see that only certain number of triangles we'll be able to get. So we are drawing lines from one corner across to the other corners to divide the shape into triangles. Are you with me?
A little, Miss.
All right, so for the quadrilateral, we got two triangles. For the pentagon now, so the pentagon is five sides, you know, it's a five-sided figure, pentagon. When we draw the diagonals from one corner, how many triangles do we get?
1 corner.
Yes, the lines must be drawn from one corner.
No,
So look at my sample on the board. Look at my sample on the whiteboard.
yes, Miss. But you won't be able to get a triangle if it's one.
How many triangles? Pardon me?
I'm saying if it's one diagonal line we are going to use, it won't be able to get a triangle.
You won't be able to get what?
A triangle, Miss.
Anybody else trying? David?
This is the ones.
Yeah, man. Once you choose a corner, just choose any corner, Kemisha, and draw. Yeah, and draw the lines from that one corner across. You will be able to put in 2 lines. You should be able to put in 2 lines, and if you put in 2 lines, you would have divided your pentagon into 3 triangles. Vado?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Getting it?
Yes, miss.
All right, so for this one, 3 triangles. Triangles. I don't like writing on this whiteboard. 3 triangles for this one. All right, this now over here is a 6-sided figure now. 6-sided figure. I'm going to use this corner up here. So I'm going to put my X at this corner over this side. And I'm going to draw my diagonals from this corner. Right? So if I start here, I can get 1 line coming here, so. I can get 1 line going there, so. And I can get 1 line going to another corner. Can get one coming across here. So with a 6-sided figure, I get 4 triangles. Four triangles.
Yeah, you get 4 too.
Let me try to write this a little better. Triang. On the 6-sided figure. All right, I want you to do 1 more on your own. I'm not going to draw that one. So just sketch, next one do you want now? Next one would be 7 sides. Sketch a shape now with 7 sides and do the same thing and tell me how many triangles you get.
Miss, it doesn't matter how we sketch it.
As long as it has 7 sides. So it's going to be bigger because you want the sides to, you want to draw it nice and big enough. So when you draw the lines across, you can see the triangles clearly. So it might end up being a little bigger than these. You don't want to make it too tiny, so you're not able to see the shapes clearly.
Five. 5, miss. 5 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Anybody else? Anybody else? David? Yes, David? You got 5? Vado, what you got?
Yes, I got the same 5.
You got 5. All right. Anybody else came on? No, just this 3 of you there, right? Yeah. I wonder if you see any pattern. Do you see any pattern?
Yes, miss.
If we go by 1
What
every
you
time,
got?
miss.
Yes, Vado. Vado.
We go by 1 triangle every time.
What is going up by 1?
Each triangles, miss. Like the first one, miss, you have 2 triangles, the next one have 3, next one have 4.
All right, very good. Anybody else? Anybody else? Any other observation?
Miss,
Which is the first polygon? A triangle. All right. As a triangle is just one triangle. Very good. But a quadrilateral is how many?
2.
Triangles. A pentagon is 3 triangles. All right. So guess what now? You're going to use this information now. You're going to construct a table and we're going to add more names of polygons. So you're not going to have to draw them, but you're going to follow the pattern and complete the table. So using that information, this is what you're going to do for me. I want you to draw up a table with these headings. All right. So your table, you're going to draw a table. And the table is going to have these headings now. It's going to be number of sides. It's going to be number of sides. S-I-D-E-S. Number of sides. It's one column. Next column is going to be the name of the shape or name of polygon. All right, name of polygon. P-O-L-Y. I don't want to make this column too big because I need a bigger column for the other side, but I'm gonna have to make this a little bigger to get it to hold. All right. So number of sides. The number of sides here. Next column.
name of polygon.
Name of side. Name of polygon. All right. So the name of the polygon inside here. Name of the polygon in this one. Polygon. Name of polygon. The next column now is number of triangles. Number of triangles. So triangles. Number of triangles in this one. Move this line, it's a little bigger. All right, so number of triangles, triangles. And the last column now, sum of interior. INTERIOR. Sum of interior angles. ANGLES. All right, so let's see if we have our headings clearly now. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. 4 columns. What's the heading for the first column?
Number of sides.
Good. What's the heading for the second column?
Number of polygon.
Name of polygon.
Mhm.
Name of polygon.
Right, yeah.
The third column?
Number of triangles.
Number of triangles. Very good. Number of triangles. And the last column, sum
Interior.
SUM, sum of interior angles. SUM, sum of interior angles. Yeah, that clear? Everybody has that?
Yes, miss.
Anybody not sure about what to do? All right. So, what's the name of the first polygon? What's the name of the smallest polygon?
Triangle.
Triangle. So inside the part for polygon now, you're gonna write down triangle. So you put triangle inside here. You put triangle here. Right? Put triangle in here, so. And you know that a triangle has how many sides?
3.
3 sides. So beside that now you put 3 here, so 3 sides. And how many triangle does a triangle have?
1.
1. What's the sum of the interior angles in a triangle?
90. Hold on, miss. 9.
It was 180.
Some 180. The total means 180. But I think oh,